What's up everyone? Today we are going to understand machines. What are machines? Machines are anything that makes your work simple and easy. So if I am writing only these two words, simple and easy, to explain my definition of machines, definitely I am trying to do injustice with the definition. So let me explore what does this two word means, simple and easy. It means it can overcome a heavy force by just applying a small force. Okay, so when I am saying simple and easy, I only mean to say that with a small application of force I can lift or I can overcome heavy force. That's what a machine does. Or when I am saying simple and easy, it also means it should have that possibility of changing the direction of effort as per your convenience. So it should change the direction of effort. Now I can explain this point. Suppose if I have to lift a bucket of water from a well, so instead of lifting this bucket of water upwards, I just have a simple machine over the well which I call as pulley. Now what does this pulley do? It does nothing extraordinary, it just changes the direction of my effort. Earlier, in absence of pulley, my direction of effort was upward, and in presence of pulley my direction of upward effort is downward. So I have changed the direction of effort. So pulley is just doing what? It is changing the direction of my effort. Alright. So a machine, when I am saying simple and easy, it means it should have that ability to produce a direction as per your convenience. Okay. Now another meaning of the word simple and easy is it should have that possibility to change the point of application as per your convenience. Okay, so I'm writing here, it should change the point of application. When I'm saying application, I mean to say the force that I am applying. In the first point I mentioned about a small force that I am applying to the machine. So this force, when I am applying, I should have that application point at my convenience. So a machine, if it is simple and easy, that means it is giving me an option of convenience. Okay, so it should change the point of application at our convenience. Okay, I can explain this with an example. Suppose if I am trying to ride a bicycle. Okay, and riding a bicycle actually needs to rotate the wheel. So to rotate the wheel, I don't have to move next to the wheel, I don't have to apply the force onto the wheel directly. What I do, I simply pedal it. And where is the location of pedal? The location of pedal is just close to your legs. so you can easily pedal it with your legs and the bicycle moves. So the location of pedal is at your convenient point. So that should be an ability of a machine, or that should be a working of a machine. What does a machine do? How it makes your work simple and easy. Alright. Now when I am saying simple and easy, the last meaning of that could be it should have that possibility producing producing a gain in speed, right? It should have some gain in speed. That means it's simply like making your work faster, doing your work faster, something that can help you in doing your work faster. So it should have gain in speed. So definitely when I'm saying machines, these are something that will make your work simple and easy. Simple and easy in the sense it means these four statements. Okay. Now with this four statement, now if I again try to define what machines are, then how will I define machines? Machines are a device which can either overcome a large resistive force by application of a small force. Okay, that's what I said in the first point. At a desired direction, so the direction should be as per your desire, which I have mentioned in the second point, and at a convenient point. So whenever you are applying a small force to operate the machine, you have to make sure that that point should be at your convenient place, and this point is mentioned in your third statement. Alright, so machines are a device which can either do all these stuffs, or it can produce a gain in speed. Okay, so here one thing is very important for us to understand. A machine can make your work faster, or a machine can overcome a heavy load. Both these stuffs can't be done at the same time. Let me explain you this. When I am talking about the first statement, when it is overcoming a heavy force, this means a machine is acting as a force multiplier. The machine acts as a force multiplier. Force multiplier means with a small force you are overcoming heavy force. Okay, and here I have said it should have gain in speed. It means the machine here is acting as a speed multiplier. So when I have written the definition, I have clearly mentioned two words, either and or. So when I am writing either and or, it means a machine can act as a force multiplier, or it can act as a speed multiplier. It will not act as both at one and the same time. It has to sacrifice one ability. Either it can be a force multiplier or it will be a speed multiplier. Okay, that's what a machine is. I hope you understood the concept of machines. Thank you.